Hello students, welcome to Pathak's Computer Academy online classes. In the previous video, we learned about the MS Excel data tab. So we have covered all the topics related to MS Excel. From today, we start MS PowerPoint. So the contents we covered today are the basics of presentation tools. We will take the example of Microsoft PowerPoint, the concept of slideshow, basic elements of slide, types of slide layouts, and different view of slide set. So let's start. So what do you mean by presentation tool? As the name suggests, it is a computer software package used to show information normally in the form of a slideshow. As here you can see that I am presenting the topic with the help of Microsoft PowerPoint. All these are under PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So a presentation can have several slides which can be displayed one after the other. As here you can see that the previous slide is my content, and before this, this is my first slide. So to present something, you need a set of slides where you kept your data in a presentable form. I think it is very clear to you. A commonly used presentation program is Microsoft PowerPoint, although there are various other applications also available, such as OpenOffice, LaTeX, etc. If I am talking about the major components of a presentation program, this one will include three things. First one, an editor where you can insert and formatted your information. Second one, a method for inserting graphic images, audio and video so that your presentation looks very attractive and effective as well. And at the last, a slideshow system to display the final content. As here, when I am trying to create a video, I am using a slideshow through which I am presenting my data to you with the help of slideshow. Okay. Whenever you open your PowerPoint presentation, this is look like here the diagram. There are various portions such as a menu bar, as you already seen in MS Word and MS Excel, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar. These are same as in other MS Office application. The major concern is here in the left hand side, you can see a slide sorter pane where all the slides, whatever you have created, are seen one after another. In the middle, you can see a slide pane. Whatever the current slide are displayed here. Okay. And at the right side, you can see a task pane where whatever you want to do, all the related functionality of task are listed over there. After these three pane, there is also a new pane known as notes pane under the slide pane here. You can see that, where you can write something extra you want to add it into the slide. Okay, so I am going to show you with the example. Okay, here, as I have opened a new presentation, it looked like this. In the left hand side, this is a slide sorter pane where you can see all the slides. This is the area where the selected slide is opened, and just below the slide pane, you can see that here it is a note pane where you can add some notes or information about the slide. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. So move on. So first question appears that what is slideshow? You can write this slideshow either slideshow within a single word or slideshow in two different words or slide presentation. So a slideshow is a series of pictures or pages of information displayed on a large screen using a video projector. I think you have shown in your school or colleges where a projector is present in the class. A teacher comes with the slide in the computer, connect the computer with the projector and show his or her slides with the help of video projector. Okay. So a slide in a slideshow is essentially a single screen of information able to display text, charts, and images. Here, you can see that this is a slide, a single slide, where some information related to a particular content is over there. In a slide, you can also add some another benefited features like transition, some effects to enhance your slide. We will discuss these transition and effects in our next video. Here you can see a real slideshow. In early 1950s, 35 millimeter transparency slides were projected onto a screen or white wall. Here, these are a strip, or you can say that a single slide, that are kept here one by one or one after the another. And with the help of rotating slides, rotating machine, each slide are displayed with the video projector one by one. Okay? But now, through the digital era, you can easily create your slide and present anywhere with the help of your laptop and projector. So I think it is very clear to you what is slide and what is slideshow. Now I am going to discuss a basic elements of slide. So there are four basic elements of a slide. First one is title. As the name suggests, it refers to the heading of the slide. Here you can see that this is the heading or title of a particular slide, basic element of slide. Next one is subtitles. It refers to the description of the slide data. Here you can insert some information about the slide. What information is kept in a particular slide. Next one is drawing object. Again, it refers to a various built-in shapes. These include auto shapes such as curves, lines, and word art. And the last one, clip art or pictures. It refers to the graphical objects that help in enhancing the appearance of a slide. Okay, I think it is very clear to you. Just giving you the example again here. Here you can see that first one is a title. After that, you can also add some subtitle, information or metadata about the slide. And if I'm going to take some another layout, here you can see that with the title, you can add something else like insert picture from file, insert table, insert chart, insert smart art graphic, insert media clip, either audio or video. That's why I am saying that there are four basic elements: title, subtitles, drawing objects, clip art. Clear? So move on to the next topic, that is slide layout. What is layout? As in your phone, you are using various templates to show or change your look and feel of the mobile. Just like that, if you want to change the look and feel of the slide layout will work on. That's why a slide layout is like a slide template and contains formatting such as applied themes and placeholders. Here you can see that there are various themes available like title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. Whatever you have to use, you can choose from over there as per your need. So the types of slide layouts are title slide. It is use a title slide at the beginning of your presentation to introduce your topic. Afterwards, the default slide layout we are commonly used are title and content, as I am using over here. Here, title and content. But if you want to change, just go to the particular slide, right click, go to the layout and choose from the available layout themes. Okay. Other one is section header. It separates different section of the same presentation. To content, if you want to use some images with some text, you can use this type of content. Right now, I think I have used, I'm going to show you. No, here, you can see that to content layout I am used. First content is a picture and the another content is a text. So based on your need, you can use your layout. Next one is comparison. If you want to compare two things, like for example, pet animal and wild animal, so you can use this type of slide layout. Another one is title only. Next one is blank, nothing else. Just go and do whatever you want to do. Content with caption. If you want to add some caption, like table have some caption, figure 1 something, then also this layout is present in MS Office. And the last one is picture with caption. Sometimes you use some picture and want the description within the caption. Then this layout can be used. Okay. I'm going to give you the example. Let us go to the layout and click on picture with caption. So here you can add picture, whatever you want. For example, I have just entered my icon. Okay. So the picture is inserted. Now I'm going to add the caption, Pathaks Computer Academy logo. And if you want to add some information about the logo, you can do this also. Okay. So I think it is very clear to you what is slide layout and what are their types. Next one is slide views. As the name suggests, how you want to view your slide. As in the MS Word, there are two available views or three available views, like printout view, web view, or normal view. Same here. There are various views you can use with your PowerPoint presentation. So to do this, Go to the View tab, then Presentation Views group, and choose the way you wish to view your presentation. Okay, here, go to the View tab. Here in Presentation View section, you can see a lot of views available like Normal, Slide Sorter, Note Page, Slideshow, Slide Master, Handouts, Note Master. So what are they? I am giving you with the example. Here, if you can see that it is a normal view. In the left hand side, you can see a slide sorter pane, and in the right, a particular or a current slide pane is visible. If you click on slide sorter, you can see all the slides one after another in a shorter form. Here you can arrange your slides very easily. If you move this one towards the second last one, you can use this. Okay, so this is the advantage of slide sorter view. If you click on notes page, now the slide, the content on the slide and the content on the notepad, note pane will displayed as a notes. If you want to give your PPT as a notes, slideshow, if you want to present your PPT to the pupil, then slideshow can be used. Slide master, here you can see a various level available. Okay, handouts, whenever you need your PPT in a smaller content, or if you want to take out the printout and go to the examination hall by reading this, then this type of handout will be very efficient. Okay, so various types are normal view. This is the main editing view. Slide sorter view, it provides a view of a slides in a thumbnail form. This views makes it easy to sort or organize the sequence of the slide. As I already told you, notes page view, it shows one slide at a time with speaker notes. Whatever I am saying, that are also recorded. Slideshow view, as I am currently using, by capturing the video, a slideshow is going on. And at last, master view. It includes handout view, notes view, and slide view. Okay. So that's all for today. Today we learned about the basics of Microsoft PowerPoint. What is the use of PowerPoint? What is slide? What is slideshow? What is slide layout and their types? What is slide view and their types? and so on. I'm not going to discuss about the formatting tool, how to open the Microsoft of PowerPoint, how to save, how to insert the bullet numbering, how to change the font and colors, because I already discussed it when I was taught you about the MS Word. Okay, so in the next class we will start MS PowerPoint animation tab in detail. Okay, okay, so insert tab are the same as I discussed in MS Word. The design part is also the same. The page setup, slide orientation, and all the things. I already discussed what is slideshow, but I will discuss the setup in the next video. I already covered the review tab, in which what is spelling and grammar mistakes, how to look after that, what is research, what is translate, new comment, how to insert the comment, all are discussed in MS Word. Today I discussed the view tab also. So the remaining part, animation and some part of slideshow, will be covered in the next video. Thank you so much.